So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. This is Komaki M5 electric bike, and it is an upcoming electric bike in India. Firstly, if you see the design of this Komaki M5, it's looking stylish in terms of design, especially the curvy shape headlamp and the stylish body of this vehicle obviously attract the young users of electric bike. And coming to the build quality of this electric bike, seems like to be most of the body is made with fiber plastic. Let me test this fiber plastic of this vehicle. So this is you can hear the sound. It mostly seems to be fiber plastic. This is also, and this is actually a metal part, and again this is metal part. Seems like the chassis is made with metal and the remaining body is made with fiber plastic, and even the back side also you can see the fiber plastic element here, but whereas the supporting element is again comes with a metal, and here also you can see the fiber plastic element. Now coming to the specifications of Komaki M5 electric bike, this bike is a license and registration model, and the top speed is up to 80 km/h, which means it is going to be a rival for Revolt RV 400 and Credin R electric bike as well. And whereas the range of this electric bike is 120 km in the eco mode, and this bike is specifically named as Komaki M5 Sport. This same bike again, there is one more model called Komaki M5 Eco. Actually that bike is a low power motor vehicle, whereas this is a high power motor vehicle, and this bike is powered by a 3 kW motor. As far as our knowledge, the specifications are not revealed yet, but we are guessing that the specifications of this electric motor, what are the BLDC hub motor, we are thinking that the motor capacity is 3 kW. And if you look at the battery pack of this bike, it actually comes with, we are guessing the battery pack is around 2.88 kWh lithium ion battery pack. I will show you this battery pack actually can be detachable. So I will show you how to detach this battery, and there is a compartment here, the battery compartment. Here you can see it is a detachable battery pack of M5 electric bike. And it seems to be a heavy battery pack here, and we are guessing the battery pack is 72 volt 40 Ah, so the overall capacity is around 2.88 kWh lithium ion battery pack. That is what we are expecting, and it can be varies because there is no exact figures of this specification of this bike. So overall the range will be around 120 km in the eco mode. So the eco mode, the top speed is around 25 to 45 km/h top speed. With that speed you can get up to 120 km range with this M5 electric bike. And if you see the tires of this electric bike, the back side is actually a bigger tire, the 140 by 70 17-inch tires. These are the back side wheels are. And coming to the front side wheel, this is actually a smaller wheel when compared to the back side. It is 110 by 80 17-inch wheel. This is the front tire of this vehicle, and both the front and rear comes with a disc brakes option. So for sharp braking, obviously this is a high speed vehicle, right? And electric bikes having high initial torque. So this bike having front and rear disc brakes for sharp braking. Obviously electric bikes with high speed definitely need disc brake, because these bike having initial high torque, so for that high power we need disc brakes, and this bike comes with a disc brake option. So the charging time of this M5 electric bike is around 4 to 4.5 hours. Now let's see the bike feel now, how comfortable you are on this M5 electric bike. So let me see the feel. So let's see actually the back side, whatever the rear dual shock absorbers, it seems to be comfortable for me, and the seating option is fine, but I'm not sure about the pillion seat actually, because it seemed to be very short. Whether the person need to be slim enough to sit here, otherwise it's difficult because the seat seem to be very small. That's a problem here. So now coming to the dashboard of this M5 electric bike, this seems to be very small dashboard you can see here. So here you can see the odometer reading here, how many kilometers you traveled, and the voltage of the battery, and as well as the battery capacity, how many, it's showing 5 bars here, indicating the battery level and how much charging you left, and also the speed here, how much speed you are riding. Now the upper part of this dashboard you can see the lighting symbol here. So we can also check the lighting of this electric bike now, but before that let's see some of the buttons here. Here actually this is the speed mode option. Here you can see first mode, second mode and third mode, and there is a reverse button option as well. You can simply press this button, and I will show you now. If I ride this, and it will go back actually instead of the front. So see, now this bike is going So actually, this bike having initial high torque. That's why you simply press the throttle. It is going like a rocket on the backside as well. So now again, I am going to the front part. So now let's see the lighting of this bike. Surprisingly, this lighting has given on the indicating lights. Actually, on a conventional vehicle, you used to have the indicator switch, right? On that part, they have given the headlamp switches. So these are the headlamps here. So if you press this, it will having the high beam here and the low beam here. So the low beam option and the high beam. And this button actually giving like a all light indicator. For cars, you can see the complete lighting. So there you can, if you press this, the entire side lights and the back lights will glow actually. So this is one kind of, you can see the complete 360 view of this bike. If you press this button, means the complete side light indicators and the back light indicators will glow. Now again, this is a lighting option as well. There are side lamps, and this is particularly for side light indicators. This is on here. And this bike also comes with smart features and also comes with Bluetooth connectivity. So you can connect with your mobile and you can attempt calls also, and you can listen to music as well. So this is one good feature for this M5 electric bike. I just on this Bluetooth option. So here you can, if you got any call, means you can connect or disconnect with that. So this is music play option. And this bike also comes with smart features like anti-theft alarm. So if you press this button, it is actually like find my bike option. If you park your vehicle in a theater or in a mall, if you press that, means you can easily locate that button. And again, there are lock button and remote unlock button as well. You can simply remove this button, remove this key, and you can unlock this bike. You can simply remove this key and you can unlock this bike as well remotely, and you can lock this bike. But if you want to on this bike, you need to press this button, which is the power button. So now we will go for a test ride on this M5 electric bike and see the complete details about this suspension of this bike, the top speed of this electric bike. Everything we will reveal in this test ride. Now let's test ride this Kawasaki M5 electric bike. Seems like this bike, just like any other electric bike, the initial torque seems to be a little high. Right now I am riding this electric bike in the mode 1. The balancing is fine, when you're riding this electric bike, especially the footrest gives you more comfort while riding this electric bike. So we are reaching a top speed of up to 26 km per hour in the mode first. Now we are going to mode 2 now. So in the mode 2, it seems to be a little high, that the initial torque. We are reaching up to 40 km per hour in the mode 2. Oh, I like this torque especially. It seems to be pretty good, and this the feel of this electric bike is really impressive. Especially in the second mode, the feel of this electric bike is pretty good, and you can feel the pickup levels of this electric bike. So we'll go into a top speed. We'll test ride this electric bike in its high speed now. Oh no, this seems to be very fast in this electric bike. So the acceleration, we are reaching up to 40 km per hour. Up to 46 km per hour. In this bike, in the second mode itself, we are reaching a top speed of up to 50 km per hour. And we can test it beyond. But I think in the third mode you can get easily get the 80 km per hour speed. So we are shifting to the third mode now. In the third mode, the torque seems to be amazing. And one more thing I want to mention here: this electric bike seems to be a no noise vehicle as well. And now I am riding this vehicle. We hardly hear the sound of the air, but not the But the problem here with this electric bike or they need to modify is if you are shifting a mode from first mode to second mode, this bike seems to be a little jerking kind of thing. Like once you are giving a throttle, initially it is giving high pickup. That is the problem. Not just this bike, most of the bike having the same problem, and this bike also having that. So you need to be a little careful if you are giving throttle on this electric bike. So overall, it seems to be a good electric vehicle from Komaki. But this electric bike also some slight modifications need to be required. After the test ride, I can say that. So after a complete test ride on the Komaki M5 electric bike, I can say that this M5 electric bike seems to be a good one in terms of the performance wise, because I thought like whether this bike will perform good or not, but once I started test riding this electric vehicle, especially in the mode 2 and mode 3, this electric bike performance really good, and the pickup levels are, we can say, excellent. I can say whatever the speed it's showing on the speedometer, I thought it is not accurate because it's showing a maximum speed of 70 km per hour, but when I was test riding this vehicle, I thought like this speed is around 80 km per hour, but I think there is some issue with the dashboard. Otherwise the speed is around 80 km per hour or 85 km per hour. That's what I can say. And coming to the stability of this vehicle, it is okay when you are riding this electric bike seems to be balanced. When this bike is in riding position, definitely the pillion feels a little discomfort, because whenever the rider shifts the modes from mode 1, mode 2 to mode 3, definitely there is a instant pickup is there. On that particular time, there is no enough support for the pillion that need to be adjusted from the Komaki side. And the build quality is fine, whatever the feel you are fine, but whenever you are riding this electric bike on the speed breakers and the ups and down road conditions, definitely you feel a little discomfort. I'm not sure. The suspension wise is good, but when you are riding this bike on the speed breakers and all, it seems you can hear some noise. I'm not sure whether it's because of the battery compartment. That is one thing they need to rectify, as this is a test ride vehicle. Definitely in the final version of this Komaki M5 Sport electric bike, I think it will be modified. Otherwise, everything is fine. But the only issues are there is an instant pickup on this electric bike, and you need to be a little careful when, especially the pillion, because the seat is a very small seat here, and they could have enlarged the seat side. Then it will be more comfortable for the pillion. But for singles, this seems to be a good electric vehicle, and definitely you can consider this electric bike as a rival for RV400. And finally, the ex-showroom price of this Komaki M5 electric bike is around 1.25 lakh rupees, and the on-road price is going to be around 1.35 lakh rupees to 1.4 lakh rupees also. It can go somewhere around in the on-road price of this Komaki M5 electric bike. So that's a complete review of Komaki M5 electric bike, and soon we will also try to make a range test on this Komaki M5 electric bike also. Hope we will see the video very soon. And if you like this electric bike review, please do share this video with your friends, and don't forget to comment about this bike in the comment section below. And please subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel for genuine reviews on electric vehicles. Go green, go electric.